an $80 Raspberry Pi 5, running an AI model that rivals industry giants. Sounds unreal, right? But DeepSeek R1 is making it happen. A compact, open-source marvel that's challenging the AI world. Is OpenAI ready for this? Let's talk about the Raspberry Pi 5, a tiny powerhouse that's affordable, efficient, and more capable than ever. But can it really handle AI workloads? You might be surprised. With its quad-core ARM Cortex-A 76 CPU, upgraded GPU, and up to 8 GB of RAM, this little device is redefining what's possible in edge computing. And when paired with DeepSeek R1, things get even more exciting. Let's dive in. DeepSeek R1 isn't just a model, it's a revolution. With a staggering 671 billion parameters, it towers over giants like OpenAI's GPT-3, which has 175 billion parameters. In the past, such immense power was locked away in massive data centers, accessible only to the privileged few. But now, thanks to cutting-edge optimizations and the sheer brilliance of Ampere 1, this AI powerhouse is breaking free. Imagine holding the future of AI in the palm of your hand, on a device as small as the Raspberry Pi 5. What once seemed impossible is now a reality. The gap between dreams and reality is closing, and DeepSeek R1 is leading the charge. The Raspberry Pi 5 just did the unthinkable. We put it to the test with a 14 billion parameter version of DeepSeek R1, running purely on its CPU. No fancy GPUs, no massive power-hungry servers. And the results? Surprisingly smooth. Sure, it's not breaking speed records, but it's doing the job, handling text generation, summarization, and basic AI tasks with ease. Just think about it. A tiny $80 device running an AI model that would have once required a supercomputer. This isn't just a benchmark, it's a glimpse into the future. A future where AI isn't locked away in billion-dollar data centers, but right here in our hands. Now, let's turn up the heat. When we unleashed the Raspberry Pi 5's GPU for inference, everything changed. Tasks that once took minutes on the CPU, now completed in seconds. This wasn't just an improvement, it was a transformation. This is where the Pi 5 truly shines. A tiny device proving that size isn't everything. It's a reminder that innovation isn't just about raw power, it's about efficiency, adaptability, and pushing boundaries. Who would have thought that an $80 computer could take on AI like this? Yet, here it is, defying expectations, rewriting the rules, and proving that even the smallest devices can make a massive impact. This is bigger than just the Raspberry Pi. It's about a revolution, the rise of ARM-based PCs, and the democratization of AI. For too long, AI lived behind the walls of massive data centers, accessible only to the elite. But now, the gates are opening, AI is stepping out. With GPUs becoming smaller, faster, and more accessible, we're entering a new era. One where AI isn't just for tech giants. It's on your desk, in your pocket, and, yes, even on a Raspberry Pi. This isn't just progress, it's a shift in power. The future of AI belongs to everyone, and it starts now. How does DeepSeek R1 compare to OpenAI's models? Sure, it may not be as massive or as powerful as GPT-4, but that's not the whole story. DeepSeek R1 is different. It's open source, efficient, and accessible. A true game changer in the AI landscape. But here's where it gets exciting. It can run on a Raspberry Pi 5. Let that sink in. An $80 device powering an AI that once demanded high-end GPUs. This isn't just about competition. It's about empowerment. For developers, hobbyists, and small businesses, this is a breakthrough. AI is no longer locked behind paywalls or billion-dollar infrastructures. It's here, it's open, and it's yours to build with. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Are we still living in an AI bubble? Is this all just hype? Not anymore. When a model like DeepSeek R1 can run on something as small as a Raspberry Pi 5, the message is clear. AI isn't just for the privileged few, it's for everyone. This isn't a passing trend. It's real, it's here, and it's transforming the way we think about computing. The walls of exclusivity are crumbling, and AI is stepping into the hands of developers, creators, and dreamers everywhere. This isn't just hype, this is the future. What can you actually do with DeepSeek R1 on a Raspberry Pi 5? The real question is, what can't you do? Imagine building your own smart home assistant, one that understands you, learns from you, and makes life easier. Picture an AI-powered IoT device running on a tiny board, automating tasks in ways you never thought possible. This isn't just about technology, it's about creativity, innovation, and pushing the limits of what's possible. The combination of DeepSeek R1 and the Pi 5 isn't just a tool, it's an invitation to build, to explore, to dream. The future of AI isn't locked away in data centers, it's in your hands now. What will you create? The future of AI isn't just powerful, it's personal. As AI continues to evolve, one thing is undeniable. Decentralization is the next frontier. No longer confined to massive data centers, AI is breaking free, becoming more accessible, more affordable, and more practical than ever. With models like DeepSeek R1 and devices as small as the Raspberry Pi 5, the power of AI is shifting. It's moving from the hands of a few to the hands of everyone, developers, creators, and dreamers alike. And this is just the beginning. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here, reshaping the way we live, work, and interact with technology. The question isn't if AI will change the world, it's how you'll be a part of it. Imagine a world where AI isn't locked away in high-tech labs or controlled by a select few, but is right there in your hands, accessible, affordable, and empowering. That's the future DeepSeek R1 on a Raspberry Pi 5 could represent. Is it OpenAI's nightmare? Maybe. But for the rest of us, it's a dream come true. A dream where technology belongs to everyone, where innovation is decentralized, and where you have the power to shape the future. Could this be the spark that ignites an AI revolution? We think so. What about you? Share your thoughts below. Let's dream together. Thank you for being a part of Novatech View. If you love this journey into the future of AI, don't stop here. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and share this with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Let's keep exploring, innovating, and shaping the future together. Stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next one.